यही है. And Vivek Srivastava, that is my question to you. The question is about Himachal Pradesh. The question is about Uttar Pradesh. The question is also about Karnataka. If cross voting is wrong and bad in Uttar Pradesh and in Himachal Pradesh, then it is also wrong and questionable in Karnataka. So nobody is coming out smelling of roses from these Rajya Sabha elections, because cross voting has happened in whatever style, in however many votes, there is cross voting. Having said that, I want to come down to the basic question. And the basic question here is the leadership, the alliance, and what really is the ideology, what really is the basis on which we stand in front of the people of India when we ask for votes. And it is here that I ask you the question about the India Alliance. The India Alliance, non-functional in Bengal, non-functional in Punjab, and today non-functional in Kerala as well. Your party, the CPI, has put its own candidate, supported by the CPM. Brinda Karat and her statements are known to everybody. And where do they give their biggest and strongest candidate? They give it on Rahul Gandhi's seat. In what way are you going to convince the people of India? Right. Because this is about Lok Sabha elections. This is the election for electing a prime minister. Do you want Rahul Gandhi to be the Prime Minister? In which case, why is Annie Raja standing there? If you are united that you want to defeat Modi, or are you not clear about whether you want to defeat Modi or you want to defeat Rahul Gandhi? What is your strategy? What is your alliance? What do you stand for, Vivek Srivastava?
Right. First of all, I'll answer both the questions. Harshvardhan Tripathi ji is confused. He is not able to come clean whether he is supporting cross-voting or not. I am saying that the cross-voting in Karnataka should not have been done. It is a wrong practice. The difference in Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh and Himachal is that it is institutionalized and promoted by the central government by using the state agencies' brute power of money and muscle. That is the difference in Karnataka and UP.
So you're saying Himachal and Uttar Pradesh is institutionalized, but Karnataka is non-institutionalized by the state government?
Absolutely, yes.
ये क्या बात बनी?
There is the direct involvement of the central agencies and the central government.
Please prove it.
Number two.
No, please prove it.
I'll come to point out.
No, please prove it. The central agencies could also have impacted in Karnataka.
No, I mean, see, they could have tried, but then they have done it in Himachal and UP, and we know it. If the Antaratma, the voice of the Antaratma was so important, they should have resigned earlier. Why were they waiting for the Rajya Sabha election day? And why in this manner? And Abhishek Manu Singhvi in the interview clearly said,
so
2 or 3 of them had breakfast
who
in
is
the
this
morning.
question? Who is this question supposed to be answered by? MLAs of the Congress party, MLAs of the Samajwadi party, or the BJP? Who should answer this question?
The people will answer this question because the BJP and the government is scared. They know the NDA is losing. They are frustrated. They are trying to attack the opposition parties, break it, use the agencies, throw in the money, do whatever.
So
they have done it in
Congress
Maharashtra.
Is scared in Karnataka. So is the Congress scared in Karnataka? Tehseen Poonawalla, is the Congress party scared in Karnataka because you have made cross voting possible in Karnataka? So are you scared in Karnataka because Vivek Srivastava says the BJP is scared in Himachal and Uttar Pradesh, that's why cross voting happened. Now please explain this to our viewers.
No, Vivek is right. Cross-voting as a matter of principle is wrong. But the difference is that in Karnataka, you have a Siddaramaiah and DK Shiv-Kumar who can withstand the central agencies, which does not happen in other states.
So you're saying Sukhu is not somebody who can withstand it?
If you have, I'm going to be very blunt, if you have 40 MLAs and 3 independent MLAs and you still lose a Rajya Sabha election while being in government and you don't know that the people are being breakfast.
But then why are you blaming the BJP? Why are you blaming the BJP and the central agencies?
Because the BJP is, of course, using the central agencies. Who's saying no? They use it in Karnataka.
Shehzad Poonawalla.
They acted like shields. They acted like shields.
हिमाचल का चुनाव, तहसीन डोंट इंटरप्ट, हिमाचल का चुनाव टॉस पर आखिरी जाके हुआ। अगर हम सेंट्रल एजेंसी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो बताइए किस प्रकार का इस्तेमाल है कि आखिर में जाकर टॉस पर तय हुआ, और टॉस तो केवल लक पे था, और ये तो अभिषेक सिंघवी ने भी माना है। दूसरी बात, हम करें तो चमत्कार, दूसरे करें तो गुनेगार। वाह, सेकुलर हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग भी होता है और कम्युनल हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग होता है, सेकुलर क्रॉस वोटिंग होता है, कम्युनल क्रॉस वोटिंग होता है। कर्नाटका का सेकुलर एकदम, और हिमाचल का कम्युनल है। बताइए। और मुझे एक व्हाट्सएप आया है, व्हाट्सएप, तहसीन 10 सेकंड और, मुझे एक व्हाट्सएप आया, पढ़ लेता हूं। वो व्हाट्सएप आया, एक कोई व्यक्ति है अंतरात्मा कहकर, अंतरात्मा ने मुझे व्हाट्सएप भेजा है। ये आशुतोष जी से पूछिए कि जब मैं उद्धव जी के अंदर जागृत होकर वोट मोदी जी का लेकर चली जाती हूं तब मैं मास्टर स्ट्रोक कहलाती हूं, जब मैं नीतीश जी में जागृत होकर वोट मोदी जी से लेकर चली जाती हूं आरजेडी में तब मास्टर स्ट्रोक कहलाती हूं, और जब मैं यहां पर खफा होकर समाजवादी पार्टी से मैं वोट करती हूं तो मैं अंतरात्मा बिकी हुई कहलाती हूं। तो आशुतोष जी जरा समझाइए, हम तो समाजवादी को कोई गालियां नहीं दे रही, ये काम तो आज कांग्रेस के और समाजवादी पार्टी के विधायक ही कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को गालियां देने का काम, और बच्ची कुची जो कसरत है वो अनुराग